Okay, so I thought I'd show you just a little bit about what we would do. I'm going to show you a platform that's online that you can look at anytime. This is not the one I'm going to use. I have Stage 5, which is a broker, discount broker, and I have NinjaTrader. And NinjaTrader is probably what I'm going to start out with. This one's called TradingView. It's just a broker online that you can look at anytime to see what's going on. TradingView, and it's right here. When you click on it, it's going to give you options for indexes, stocks, everything, any kind of market you want. In the ticker symbol here, you could type anything. I'm going to type ZB, which is a 30-year bond. It's going to give me a drop down. So here's the 30-year. If I click here, it's going to give me more 30 years. So the ZB1 exclamation point is the current continuous contract, and that's probably when I have enough money. This is when I'm going to trade. I might have to start with the 10-year or 5-year until I have enough money. So I click that, and then it's going to give you a chart down here, and if you click full featured chart, it'll give you a better look at it. So it's going to give you a couple of ads because this is a free online. So if you look down here, looking for August 19th, if you look down here, you can see the dates. So this has been trending since back here. So it has an uptrend here from here to here. So what you're looking at is you're looking at price. On the right side, you can see where the prices are. And there's a dome. If you click down here, there's a dome. And this gives you the actual orders. And you don't see market depth, but with NinjaTrader, I'll be able to see all the orders along here. So here's price. So what you'd do is you'd buy by clicking down here, and you'd sell by clicking up here, and that's all, buy and sell. So for instance, if right now you think this is going down, you might want to sell, and then as it goes down, you might want to buy back down here, so you'd make money from here to here. So for instance, this is a 164.17 down here, and up here is 165.8. So that's almost 32 ticks. So that's almost $1,000 from here to here on one contract. So for every contract, you'd make 1,000 on that one move, and that's from 5 o'clock on August 20 to the next day. So you can change time frame. Here's a buy and sell button up here, and you've got indicators up here, like here's time frame. So I'm looking at a 5-minute chart. Here's a 1-minute chart. Basically shows you the moves that are happening right now. These are moving average lines underneath of it. What it does is it smooths out the moves. These are all the prices and where the 30-year traded at. And this smooths out the moves so that you know that there's an uptrend. Every single tick is $32. And this is just a 1 minute, so let's go out a little further. Let's go out to 1 hour. And that smooths it out a bit more. The further you go out, the more the moving average lines change depending on if you're on a 1 hour or not. So what you want to do with the idea is you want to get into a trend and stay there for a little while. And the 30-year makes the most money, really. It takes about $2,500 to $2,800 to trade one, but you're getting $32 a move, and you get about 30 moves half a day. So you can get about 60 moves, so that's $2,000 a day if you in this 24-hour period. So it's a lot of potential, and that's per contract. So say you got the whole move twice, that's 2,000 per contract. If you had 5 contracts, that'd be 10,000 in one day. Normally, you'd probably only make around 500 to 1,000 a day because it's hard to get the whole move. You're not going to get the whole move. You know, you may miss this portion and only get this part. So, because you're never going to sell at the exact top and buy at the exact bottom. It's unusual. But you might get this short and then this long. So you're going to get this portion and this portion. So you might get parts of it. And down here's your volume. You can see volume better on a different chart. It shows you your volume. These ads are bothersome. So your green's buying volume, your red selling volume. These are the prices, like I said. The way it moves is a point is 162 to 163 to 164. So every point here, this is $1,000. All of these are $1,000 each. Because it's 30, it goes by 30 seconds. So it moves from 162, say, to 163, but in 30 seconds. So it has like 30 moves. And each move's $32. And this is just the 30-year bond, but this is probably what I'd focus on. There's lots of other things to trade. You can trade wheat, corn, soy, you can trade S&P, Dow, anything, but I like the bonds because they're slow enough and they're big money. And like I said, the way you buy is, I'm not even going to look at a chart actually when I do my buying. I'm just going to be looking at this dome, and what I'll do is I'll buy down here and sell, and you can see all of the prices on this. Somewhere in here there's prices. There's watch list, alerts, data window. So data window is going to show me where it opened, it's high, it's low, it's closed. So on here, when I have NinjaTrader going, there'll be like a line down here that says where the low is of the day and the high is of the day, and that gives me my range. So what I'm going to be doing is trading the range. So once this thing falls down to lows, a lot of money management and a lot of algorithms buy at that level. So I'll just ride the wave with them. I'll get in and then I'll let it ride for say 2-3 hours, and then I'll sell at the high, and then I'll probably sell again so I can ride back down again and make 2 trades per day, 2 or 3 trades. So I won't be trading the chart. I'll probably just be trading these domes. It's called depth of market, DOM, and it gives you the information. These highs and lows, all this data is going to be on here. There's going to be like a colored green, colored red for high and low. And sometimes they break through the high and low. So sometimes if you buy the low and it rides all the way up, and you just wait. If it breaks through, then you're good. It might go further, so you can get even more money out of it.